Alright, so it's that middle of the day lull. I think I'm going to go recharge a little bit at the hotel. Might head over to Disney Springs yet again, get some more cookies, but this time take some home for family because they said they wanted some, and I'm here, might as well pick it up for them. But I'm going to try taking a water taxi, one of the water taxis down here over to Sapphire Falls, which is the hotel like right across the street from Cabana Bay. See if that's an efficient way to travel back. Either way, get some nice views along the river. So let's see what I can get done here. Yeah, in case you guys didn't know, if you are staying at one of the premier resorts or like Sapphire Falls, Aventura, even Cabana Bay, these water taxis are over here. So they drop you off on, I thought it was both sides of the river here, but it might just be this side. Yeah, so they go in two different directions. So this one that's loading up here is going this way, which is to the Hard Rock Hotel and Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel. The one going the other way over there, that's going to Sapphire Falls and Royal Pacific, Aventura, all those over there. So I'm gonna try to hop on one and see how quickly I can get on. Here's the one for Sapphire Falls. Scratch the boat for now. Needed to find a restroom. Didn't know how long I was going to be waiting there for it, so found one up here by Voodoo Donuts. And while I'm here, might as well go inside Voodoo Donuts, check it out, see if I can find anything special and good there. All right, good news, the boat was still here after I used the bathroom, so came down to use it on the way back.
first day learning how to do this, driving a boat? Ever? Ah, don't worry. At lunch I did the most modern training known to mankind. I watched a YouTube video. It's really good. You know what I learned? I learned that 9 out of 10 people think that leaving a boat early is bad. Very true. By the way, we never found the other one. Oh. He'll pop up.
Thank you. All right, that boat ride took less than 5 minutes, really, when it's all said and done, or about 5 minutes. Now we just have the time to see how long it takes to walk back over to Cabana Bay from here. All right, well, get a nice air-conditioned walk through Sapphire Falls from the boat here. Really cool spiral staircase. We are here in the Sapphire Falls lobby, and right across the street is Cabana Bay. And on the way, of course, we have the Aventura Hotel. So all in all, I would say by the time we get over there, 5-minute walk back to my room from the boat. And that's a pretty efficient way, if you're tired, to get back to Cabana Bay. Take that water taxi from CityWalk over to Sapphire Falls, and that'll do it. Maybe we'll stay there one day. That looked like a pretty nice hotel. I know it's not their premium, premier hotel, so you do not get the free or the bonus express pass add-on when you stay there. So it's one of those mid-tier ones, but it looks really nice. All right, never mind, scratch that. So it's definitely not really a quicker way. So it has you backtrack a lot. I was walking this way from Sapphire Falls. Takes you back onto this main path that I walked last night, to the parks and back from Cabana Bay. So because it has you backtracking a lot, I don't think I'd do that again. I need to find a more efficient way to cross this road here, because this bridge crossing is ways this way from the entrance to Sapphire Falls over here. So instead of like crossing the street directly from their lobby, you backtrack at least a good quarter mile back to this bridge here. So unless there's another walkway that I could have taken a left out of their lobby, maybe the shuttle was just the way to go instead of the water taxi. Interesting thing I just thought of too. Could throw a little bit of a wrench into my whole sequence of events here, my plans this afternoon, but yeah, they could be in the middle of cleaning my room for all I know. So might have to delay things for a few minutes, but nothing we can't handle. But I don't know why I didn't think about that till now. So yeah, if there's an easier way to cross this, well, I guess these guys are. First, if you do not walk in the roadway, well, they're going to. So I guess I should just do that. I mean, yeah, you should follow the rules. They're there for a reason, obviously, but I mean, that's a pretty big time saver if you can just walk right across there. I am not advising you to break the rules by any means. Disclaimer. Well, regardless of whether or not they cleaned up my room, excuse my mess in my room, because I'm not the tidiest traveler, I suppose, but might as well give a room tour. Ooh, yeah, it looks like they're maybe just getting to me. All right, it looks like they must have just finished up my room, because they're like right here in the hall. So, but might as well show a little room tour right now. All right, so when you walk in the door, you have your closet just to the left here, of course. Of course, I have my suitcase, all of my snacks and goodies I packed with me. They're, you know, Rice Krispie treats, Quest bars, all the healthy and non-healthy stuff, naturally. But yeah, you see the style. I think it's like 50s kind of retro style they're going for, with the colors and just the design of everything and the patterns. I have a view right outside to the parking lot. It's nice because I can see my car is right over there behind this other car. So, and here are the beds with Gideon's cookies, some clothes, Gideon's trading cards. I am collecting the whole set apparently. About ready to go there again. And yeah. Oh, and the bathroom. So here is the sink area. And they even went old school with like the tiling and everything. And of course, shower curtain, bathtub, shower. So yeah, I mean, I get the theming, but overall room vibe, I definitely prefer the newness and the, I guess, beachier feel, and like the even though I think it's just like paneling, but like the faux wood paneling floors just seem a little bit better than like your old school carpet here. But hey, I mean, it's what they were going for, so they accomplished it. Just not my cup of tea, I don't think. But I mean, it's a nice room, don't get me wrong. Bed's comfortable, I like the pillows. I mean, probably my favorite thing is the clock. Like, that's pretty classic there. That's awesome. So anyway, that is one of your basic rooms here at Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando Resort.